products or something. It's more on dun sa pinagdaanan niya sa buhay and how he dealt with it.
Masarap siyang kausap. Tapos yun, yung gusto ko parang gusto niya rin. She's funny. Ano ang gusto niya maganda?
If you're not afraid of what love brings, then endings are beginnings of beautiful things. It's the chance you'll take, a chance you'll win if someone's gonna find you. First you've got to let them in, 'cause love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over, now it's easy letting go. One hello is hard.
Kung ano man yung pinapakita ko sa'yo, sinasabi ko sa'yo, lahat yun ba to?
Okay. Okay siya. Kasi someone special yung nag-prepare.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo na wala namang malayo, di ba? Pupuntahan ka.
Wait.
Keep it real. And if being real means you'll someday say goodbye, remember my friend, goodbye is not the end. It's a circle, you know, and it starts with one.
Hey, will you be my girlfriend?
Love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over, now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it starts. Remember my friend, goodbye is not the end. It's a circle, you know, and it starts with one hello. It starts with one.
Gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo na si Hazel. Haze, si daddy ko. Mommy ko and sister ko si Kathy. She's very, very special and mahal na mahal ko siya. So siya yung first girl na ipakilala ko sa inyo.